Germany and the Netherlands have finalized a $4 billion deal for 222 Jackal infantry fighting vehicles, enhancing their military capabilities with units based on the Boxer chassis. This significant investment underscores a growing trend in European defense spending, aiming to bolster military readiness and tactical flexibility. The Jackal vehicles, known for their enhanced lethality and survivability, will be integrated into both nations' armed forces, reflecting a strategic commitment to modernizing their defense infrastructures. In the United States, the Army is engaging private equity groups, including Apollo and KKR, to help fund a $150 billion modernization effort. This initiative marks a notable shift in military financing strategies, as the Army seeks to leverage private capital to accelerate its revamp. The modernization plan is expected to cover a wide range of defense capabilities, potentially benefiting a variety of defense contractors involved in the supply chain. The U.S. Army is also considering the creation of a specialized counter-drone military occupational specialty, MOS, to address the increasing threat posed by unmanned aerial systems. This move highlights the growing importance of counter-drone technologies and the need for dedicated personnel to manage these systems effectively. As drones become more prevalent on the battlefield, the Army's focus on specialized training could lead to significant advancements in air defense capabilities. Anduril has delivered advanced counter-drone systems to USNORTHCOM, enhancing the command's ability to detect, track, and neutralize unauthorized drones. These systems are part of a broader effort to strengthen U.S. defense against aerial threats, particularly in sensitive areas. The deployment of these technologies underscores the increasing demand for sophisticated counter-drone solutions in military operations. Raytheon has delivered its first PhantomStrike radar for Korea Aerospace Industries FA-50 fleet, significantly enhancing situational awareness capabilities. This next-generation radar system provides superior battlespace awareness, positioning Raytheon as a key player in the aerospace sector. The delivery marks a critical milestone in Raytheon's efforts to expand its footprint in international defense markets. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise to $181.59, up 1.93%. The increase is attributed to strong AI adoption trends, which continue to drive investor interest. Palantir's focus on leveraging AI for data analytics positions it well in the evolving tech landscape, appealing to both commercial and defense sectors. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a notable increase of 3.84%, closing at $364.04. The company's growth is fueled by rising demand for counter-drone technology, as the U.S. Army considers specialized roles to combat drone threats. AeroVironment's expertise in unmanned systems positions it as a leader in this expanding market. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, climbed to $505.90, a 2.17% gain. The company's prospects are buoyed by the U.S. Army's $150 billion modernization effort, which could lead to increased contracts for defense contractors. Lockheed Martin's involvement in various defense programs makes it a significant beneficiary of this large-scale revamp. RTX Corporation, ticker symbol RTX, advanced to $160.71, up 1.75%, following the delivery of its PhantomStrike radar. This development strengthens RTX's position in the aerospace sector, as the radar enhances the FA-50 fleet's capabilities. The successful delivery is expected to open further opportunities in international markets. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, rose to $216.82, gaining 1.82%, as the AUKUS submarine delivery to Australia is set to be expedited. This acceleration, supported by former President Trump, aims to bolster defense ties in the Indo-Pacific region. Boeing's involvement in the AUKUS deal positions it to benefit from increased defense spending in the area. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Explore opportunities in counter-drone tech with AeroVironment's rising demand. 2. Monitor Lockheed Martin for gains from the U.S. Army's $150 billion revamp. 3. Watch RTX for international expansion following PhantomStrike radar delivery.